In this video, we will discuss about Microsoft PowerPoint. Lesson number 6 given on page number 56. We will discuss only few introductory portion, that is the introduction. Okay, a little bit of introduction. If you remember, in third standard, that means in the previous class, okay, we had discussed few application softwares like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Paint, that is MS Paint, okay, or we simply say Paint, okay. Microsoft Word is an application software that we had practically used for typing, if you still remember. And this MS Paint, that is also known as Microsoft Paint, is used for making drawings, okay. Similarly, if you still recall your second standard, okay, one more previous class, in second standard we have used one more application software, okay, if you remember, calculator, to perform calculations. So let me show you these application software quickly. Okay, first calculator. I'm going to open here calculator. Okay, so calculator, this is an application software. Okay, this is the application of calculator application, or we can say it is used for only one specific purpose, that is to perform calculations. Similarly, okay, now if I want to add two numbers, I can add two numbers. Okay, so we can do calculations. If I want to multiply two numbers, I can multiply numbers. Okay, so we can do the calculations, okay, using this application. Okay, so this application is used for specific work. What is that specific work? That specific work is calculation. We can do here mathematical calculations. Okay, we can add numbers, subtract, multiply. There are a lot of lot of types of different calculations we can do. Okay, when you will grow up, you will also use scientific calculator. Okay, so there are options. Okay, so you will use such kind of calculators. Okay, there are different types of functions, okay, in mathematics, which we can use. So only calculation, mathematical calculations we can do in the calculator. So one specific kind of work we can do. So I'm going to close this application now. Now second application software that we are going to open is MS Paint, that is Microsoft Paint, okay, which we had discussed or we had used in second standard. So I will click over it. Okay, and this is the Paint. So all of you are familiar with this application window. In this application, okay, this is the application window of which application software? Paint. Okay, so here we can draw pictures. So I can draw the pictures quickly. Okay, so definitely, okay, so we can draw the pictures easily, okay, using the shapes tool. Okay, we have discussed even these shape tools, okay, in the second standard. Okay, even in the third standard, okay, you have started one chapter of one with Paint, if you remember. Okay, so there we had discussed. So in this manner we can draw the shapes, different shapes. Okay, so and we can also fill the colors. Okay, so we can draw the pictures. Okay, so I'm just here making a demo picture, okay, of example. So you can draw the pictures as per your wish. Okay, so immediately, okay, so we can draw the drawings, but we can't perform calculations here. Okay, we can't use mathematical work like adding two numbers, multiplying. Okay, this can't be performed over here. So to do that, okay, we have a calculator, another application. But in case of MS Paint, what we can do, we can only draw pictures. We can draw pictures. We can draw the pictures. So this is how we can draw the pictures. Okay, if I want to fill different colors, you can fill the colors. Okay, I'm not so good at drawing, but still, okay, I'm placing an effort to make a drawing. So in this manner you can also draw the pictures. Okay, so I have used the shapes to draw this face. Okay, so now So we have worked with this, okay, in the second as well as third standard, sorry, yeah, okay, if you still remember. So I'm going to close this application. So this application is only used for what? For making pictures, okay, so specific purpose. So again, it is an application software. Now similarly, I'm going to open here another application software, that is Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft Word. So this is Microsoft Word application software. This is the application window of Microsoft Word. Okay, and here in this application software we can only do the typing work. We can prepare here letters. Okay, like I'm going to use here okay, this is computer class. Okay, this is computer class. This is computer class. Computer class. So we can also add pictures. Okay, pictures, and we can prepare stories, letters, reports using what? Microsoft Word. So we had discussed this application software a little bit of introductory portion in this third standard even. Okay, so we had covered up this one. So if you remember, so this application software is used for one specific kind of work, that is for typing. Okay, even we can insert pictures. Okay, we can change the colors of text. Okay, that we will learn later on in the later classes. Okay, so for the time being I will close this. Okay, so I have shown you 3 application softwares, and we have used these application software. And what is the key point? That all these 3 application software are used for to perform specific kind of work, that is one kind of work. In Paint we can't do the calculation. Only Paint is used only for making drawings. Similarly, we are going to discuss today one more application software, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is an application software. It is used to perform one specific kind of work, that is to prepare the presentations. Okay, we will discuss what is presentation in the upcoming topic. Okay, first of all we have to discuss, first of all, if somebody asks you that what is PowerPoint, then you will simply say PowerPoint is an application software, okay, developed by Microsoft. Okay, it is a presentation software, and okay, it is a presentation software developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is the name of a company, software company, that creates software. Okay, and how to open this? Okay, this is the interface. Okay, this is the view, or the look wise we can say this is the interface of Windows 10 operating system. Okay, we have discussed types of software even in the third standard. Okay, we had discussed in first chapter, if you still remember. So interface may look different, but okay, the options will be same. So I will click on this start button. Okay, this is Windows 10 operating system, or we can say system software. Okay, if you remember the types of software, system software and application software, we had discussed this in third standard. So okay, so Windows 10 is the operating system, or it is a system software. To run computer system or mobile phone, what we need a operating system. If operating system is not there, or we can say system software is not there, we will not be able to use computer or a mobile phone. So now I'm going to locate here option Microsoft Office. Okay, Microsoft Office is one software which include, or which has the group of application software. This is the option Microsoft Office. I will click over it. Okay, and this is the list of application softwares which are included within the Microsoft Office. Okay, Microsoft Office has the list of application software. So we can say it is a group of application software. So when we install Microsoft Office in our computer system, or then a group of application softwares, or we can say a set of application softwares, get installed in the computer system. So these are the few application softwares which are the part of Microsoft Office, and this software is designed or developed by the company name of the company is Microsoft. Okay, so we are going to use this application, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Okay, so I will click over this. Okay, and this is the application window of Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, we will discuss the components of application, okay, this application window, okay, in the upcoming topics. So this application window or this application is used for preparing the presentations. Okay, there is a line in a book that is Microsoft Office Suite. Suite means collection, a bundle. Okay, so it's a collection of, Microsoft Office is a collection of applications as I have shown you. Okay, and out of these this collection, okay, we have opened which application software we have used. We have opened Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, where 2010 is the year in which this, okay, Microsoft Office version was launched. Okay, so now here in this application software we can use, okay, text mean words, pictures, or you can even use audio or video. And we will discuss one more concept, okay, in higher classes in the 5th or 6th, animations. Okay, what is animation? I think most of you watch cartoons. So cartoons are what? Cartoons are animated pictures. Okay, when we see movement in the pictures, that makes what? Animation. Okay, so most of you may have have watched cartoons. So in cartoons are what? Animated pictures. So we can also apply animation effects, okay, in our presentation. What is presentation? We will discuss, no need to worry. So with the help of presentation, what we can do, okay, we can present, okay, we can present our ideas, okay, we can present our knowledge, okay, to a large group of audience, okay, peoples, in front of a large group of peoples. If you want to present our knowledge, okay, or to our idea or on a particular topic, then we can use presentation. We can make use of presentations. So what is presentation? Okay, what is the components of this presentation and how it is going to be helpful, that we will discuss in the okay, in the next video. Okay, for the time being, just remember, let us recall the concepts. That first you have to understand what is application software. Why? Because Microsoft PowerPoint is an application software. It is an application software and it is the part of Microsoft Office. And Microsoft Office is developed by one company. Name of that software company is Microsoft. And this application software, Microsoft PowerPoint, is used for specific kind of work, like Paint is used for only painting. Similarly, Microsoft PowerPoint is used for creating what? Presentations. Okay, what is presentation? We will discuss, no need to worry. So next is, and what we can add, we can add pictures in the presentation. We can add text mean words. Okay, we can add charts. Okay, we can add audio, video, and we can animate. Okay, how to apply animations, okay, we will discuss. Let me show you one, okay, animation effect or one example presentation, so that you can get idea that after learning this application software or that how to use this application software, what you will be able to do. So I'm going to close this application and I have one presentation, okay, that I will open. I will show you that what you will be able to do. Okay, I'm going to play this presentation. Okay, it is already created, so you will be able to do these such kind of things. Okay, and you can present it to a large group of audience. So this is a presentation. Okay, it is going to be played in the full screen. How to play a presentation in a full screen, we will learn, no need to worry, okay, in the upcoming topics. So okay, this is a small shape. In the shape, with the animation effect, okay, the text is appearing. Okay, so this is how, okay, we can prepare, okay, a presentation. And this is the animation effect which is appearing now. Okay, the text is appearing with the animation effect. Okay, so and the buttons at the corner, at the top right corner, you can see these are action buttons that we will discuss in higher classes. No need to worry. Okay, so now with the animation effect, you can see this text, okay, is entering on the screen. And okay, you can see, okay, this is how we can prepare a wonderful presentation, okay, with the help of text, pictures and animation effects. Okay, so as I'm clicking with the help of a mouse, okay, so these animation effects, okay, that already applied in the presentations. Okay, so in this way, okay, we can prepare the presentation and we can represent our, okay, idea or the information to a large group of audience on the full screen. Okay, using okay, computer and with the help of a projector. Okay, projector is a device, okay, which you may have seen in the school, okay, classroom, that is attached to the smart board, okay, to project the picture on the smart board screen. Okay, so in this manner, okay, you can see, okay, that each text is appearing with the animated animation. Okay, so each line, so we can also do these things. So after covering up the concepts of Microsoft PowerPoint, you will be able to create such kind of wonderful presentations yourself. Okay, so definitely we will cover up all these topics. Okay, few topics in this class and few advanced topics in the uh, fifth, sixth, and okay, fifth, sixth standards even, okay, in higher classes. So I will end this presentation for the time being. And okay, so in the next time, okay, we will discuss what is presentation and what is slide.